And now it's time for Vantage Shots, images that tell the story. In Türkiye, thousands protest against Israel's recent attacks on Gaza. Flying cars and robots enthrall the audience at the Osaka Expo, and elephants huddled together to protect their young as an earthquake hits Southern California. Finally, we are taking you back in history. On this day in 1994, around 123 countries signed the Marrakesh Agreement. It led to the creation of the World Trade Organization. The WTO was founded to promote multilateral trade. It is facing its biggest challenge in the middle of Donald Trump's current trade war. We're leaving you on that note. Thanks for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.
Greeting you with aloha and namaste.
I love India.
Presence, occupation of a territory by another country pertains to India, what we saw in Kashmir.
How do you see Trump's America?
Yes, the current administration behaves differently from the previous administration.
Are you saying that there are foreign powers who are trying to bring down the current government in Syria?
Exactly.
Bluntly, Iran, maybe Russia too.
Prime Minister Modi committed to South-South, cooperation.
Not over 50%.
Is Ukraine prepared to pay the price for that peace?
No compromises at the cost of territorial integrity and sovereignty.